Welcome back to another episode of Fox40 Foodies. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be doing our tailgate edition. Welcome to the outside. Today on Fox40 Foodies tailgate edition, we'll be talking about our mac and cheese and how we loaded up and smoked it on the grill. Guys, we're keeping the meal under $30 today. We're gonna start with our sides. We have a smoked macaroni and cheese. We have a baked bean. We have grilled corn and also grilled vegetables. Start off with our mac and cheese. All your ingredients gonna be located online, but it's very simple. We made a cheese sauce with 2 pounds of our macaroni, a sharp cheddar cheese and a sharp cheddar white cheese. Mixed all these ingredients together, prepped it on last night, and we have it ready for the grill today. All right, today's our macaroni and cheese. Prepped on last night, now we was ready for the grill this morning. So on this mac and cheese here, I did 2 pounds of our noodles. Didn't use the whole 2 pounds because I didn't know what chafing dish I was going into. But we made a cheese sauce out of our pet milk, our white sharp cheddar cheese, our yellow sharp cheddar cheese, 1 egg, salt, pepper, and a little walleye seasoning in this one as well. Mixed it up with our noodles here. I topped it off with the cheddar cheese and had it ready to go for the grill. So first thing this morning, we put it on the grill and had it smoking, and now you got your smoked macaroni and cheese. All right, guys, here you go. Here we have it. Our smoked macaroni and cheese ready to be served. And next week, we'll be talking about our loaded baked beans fresh off the grill. You can find all of this and the full list of ingredients on fox40jackson.com.